This is a little cat girl with a big dream. She wanted to become a ballet dancer. She first started learning. It wasn't easy. Her friends, who were also cats, made fun of her. One day, there was a big ballet competition in town. All the best dancers from everywhere came to show their skills. The cat girl was nervous, but decided to give it her all. She remembered how hard she worked and how much she loved ballet. When her turn came, she danced like she had never danced before. Her moves were graceful, her heart was full, and she twirled like a star. Judges were amazed, and so were her friends. In the end, the cat girl won the ballet competition. She showed everyone that with hard work, determination, and love for what you do, anything is possible. So, always remember, just like the cat girl, never give up on your dreams, no matter what. If you like the cat girl, then subscribe to the channel and like the video, and say yes in comments. Sometimes, the ocean hides unexpected dangers. One moment of curiosity, just one, can lead to a life-changing challenge. Stay cautious because every second counts. On a bright, sunny day, a father and his baby cat were enjoying a peaceful voyage across the ocean. Their laughter filled the air as they pointed toward the distant horizon. But then, in a single, heart-stopping moment of curiosity, the baby leaned too far and fell into the water. Without hesitation, the father dove in, braving the turbulent waves and the dangers lurking in the deep. Against all odds, he rescued his child, proving that true strength lies in love and courage. Exhausted, but safe. They sat together on the deck, watching the golden sunset, a powerful reminder that family always comes first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.